I'm going to start talking about basically the challenge with trading this way, with the super simple spreads. The challenge that many traders have with these strategies is that they are rule-based and that they're simple. And when I say this, traders tell me, what? What do you mean? That's not a problem. This is exactly what I'm looking for. They're simple, they're rule-based, they're perfect. But let's talk about the psychology behind that for a minute. You know, traders can buy the program. They can take the rules, and hopefully they'll backtest them, because you should never, ever, ever just assume something's going to work, no matter who it comes from, right? You should always be doing your own backtesting so that you know what to expect and so forth in the marketplace. But let's just pretend that you get the program, you backtest it, you find it works great. Awesome, right? Then you start trading it. It's great. Eventually, regardless of what you trade, you're going to go through a rocky period. Or you may simply think, in reciting the old saying in your head that my dad used to tell me, and I bet you've probably heard it as well. My dad used to say, it can't possibly be this easy, because if it was this easy, everybody would be doing it. Well, first of all, I said it was simple. I didn't say it was easy. But it can be easy, right? It can be easy if you follow the rules. But following the rules doesn't mean you're going to win all the time. In fact, I can promise you that you're going to have times where you're going to have losses. You're going to have a share of losses. And when you do, that is where the biggest challenge comes in. And it's not a challenge for the strategy. It's a challenge for you. And that challenge is that the trade's simple. Because here's the challenge with good rule-based strategies in general. If you're trading them, you're doing it presumably because you've determined at some point that that strategy has some sort of a market edge. And that's great. But that edge isn't going to work all the time. It's an edge. It's a statistical probability. It works out more often than not, which means sometimes it doesn't work out. And there's going to be times when it appears, when you're in the strategy, that it appears that things aren't going to work out. Maybe the market's going against you. Maybe you made your maximum loss. Maybe your delta's too high. You get that appearance it's not going to work out. And when that happens, because the strategies are simple, you say to yourself, I knew it couldn't be that easy. And you take that, all that testing you did, all the back testing you did, all the time you did to prove that your system worked, all the time you took to prove you had an edge, and you throw it away. You break the rules. And once you break your rules, the edge is gone. So when you trade these trades, you need to be aware that the rule-based strategies are easier. They take less screen time. They don't have to be interpreted. You don't have to interpret the market. But rule-based trades are also harder. Intervention in the rule system, when you deviate from the rules, it eliminates your statistical edge. It's not there anymore. So you don't get to play with the trade, right? Otherwise, you're going to lose your statistical edge. And you don't get to interpret the market. You just follow the rules. And that can be quite difficult, especially when things don't seem to be going your way. And the challenge gets very difficult for some people. So both the easiest and the most difficult part of the whole SSS program, and I've experienced this over and over again too, by the way, especially with the bull trade, but the most difficult part is just letting the trades work for you. So when you get the program, I encourage you to do your testing and your verification, and then just let the trades work, right? Just let them work their magic, let them do that for you.